Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're in India and looking to withdraw USDT from Binance in 2025, you've come to the right place. With evolving crypto regulations, it's more important than ever to handle this process safely and efficiently. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step guide so you can get your funds out quickly and without hassle. First off, before we dive in, make sure your Binance account is fully verified. This includes completing KYC, Know Your Customer, requirements, as Indian regulations might require additional checks. It's also a good idea to double-check any updates from Binance for 2025 compliance. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Log into your Binance account using the app or website. Use two-factor authentication for extra security. It's a must in today's crypto world. Step 2. Once logged in, head over to the Wallet section. Here, you'll see your asset balances, so locate your USDT holdings. Step 3. Select USDT and click on the Withdraw button. You'll need to choose the right network, like TRC20 for faster and cheaper transactions, but always confirm what's best for your receiving wallet. Step 4. Enter the withdrawal address. If you're sending to a bank or an Indian exchange, use a P2P option or a supported wallet that complies with local laws. Double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 5. Review the details, including fees and amounts. In India, be aware of potential taxes or additional charges, so calculate everything up front. Step 6. Confirm the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Keep an eye on it. The process might take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the network. Finally, once it's done, check your receiving account to ensure everything went smoothly. Remember, always prioritize security. Use strong passwords and avoid public Wi-Fi for these transactions. There you have it. That's how to withdraw USDT from Binance in India for 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.